Oh, okay. I'm sorry. You want daddy keys?
Yeah. Can I see what's on the chart?
It'll cut the box. Yeah, right down the edge. Yeah, the back. Please be careful when you take it out. You don't drop it, please. Let's see what kind of earbuds they got. How do you wait, raise it back up again. They had the earphones and stuff in it. Trying to get you in the earphones. Okay, thank you. You turn the new phone on, Chelsea? She's taking a picture. There it goes.
No, I told him. No, it doesn't matter the brand of the handle, but it's I wanted to show him on Amazon. There was the one I was looking at because it had the grip thing in it. So.
Glasses around the house. I put them in on Sunday.
How long yours last? A month or 2 weeks?
Huh?
Yours last a month or 2 weeks?
Supposed to last 3 weeks.
Oh, okay. Now this is video.
Miss Driving.
You have to read what's on the set on them.
What?
You don't have to be on camera, just open the gift.
Oh, that's for me? Huh.
The kids, you can put that stuff in the bag. Pictures. Wrapping paper. I'll get Daddy trash can out of his office. Like we normally do. Please.
I think I probably already know what it is. I kind of just guessed. I need a...
Yeah, you need some. We need a pair of scissors to keep it.
Yeah, it is. I guess I know what it is. Yeah, exactly. I got my scalp massager.
You can use it.
Yeah.
Perfect. You're welcome. Where's this from? I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Thank you, Pam.
I know. See, we see. Let me zoom in.
Oh, yes. Thank you. That's perfect.
Who's that from? You from you? Like dresser.
I forgot what it is. Why don't you pick up the package?
I have a picture of him. What is it? What do you gonna wrap on me to give? Oh, okay.
Firefighter watch.
Oh, okay. Let me see it. Thank you.
Imagine how she gonna be tomorrow. Lord, get ready, Cameron.
Y'all the headset.
For iPhone?
That was a lot of phones.
We good. Cause I had one on my wish list on Amazon.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
That's from me to you.
Was it chocolate?
I can feel what it is. Oh, you're probably my own gloss set.
Yeah, so you can stop asking for my lip glosses.
got the dance on there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gotta figure out how to...
You open up the gift? Daddy, what? What'd you get?
It's a VR 3D gamepad and remote. It's for what? It goes to this.
Can you hold it up, please?
Something.
So make your truck a Bluetooth thing so you can listen to your. Should make your truck a Bluetooth, right? So that he can hear his music with his phone. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Cameron.
Oh yeah. When you get towels, just put them in a box. You'll get a box and put them in a box. Take the box to the.
Well, they been sitting in my closet for like 3 weeks, and that. I just took mine out the bag.
Yeah, that's what I do. Anything like that. Just kind of. You see, man? Oh yeah, those are free.
It's a continuous run, and you gotta keep hitting the button on and off.
Sometimes it's a continuous run. What is that?
Ah!
What is it? What is it?
So backdrop for my YouTube video.
Oh, that's so sweet, Cameron. My daddy just take it on his bring this out and don't pay him no attention.
Thank you. It's my handle for the camera to hold it.
Oh, perfect. Oh, you got all your gifts on there. Grow your business.
And then
Hey, what is it?
you just.
It's a background. You know, like when you have cameras.
You know, to be my background.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you hang it up, yeah, and that way you don't have to have a picture
So
of
when I
like
sit in
a
the restroom,
bed.
like
Yeah,
my room, if my bed's a bed, I
yeah,
can
she
hang
can
this up.
hang it.
What do I do now?
All right. Ball.
What you got, bro? Ooh, we already got my. Ooh, you got my bread maker. Oh, thank you, Cameron. That's what I really, really wanted. That's either my cake mixer or my bread maker. And I want the cake mixer so that it'll mix this so I can make my bread. Now I don't need the cake mixer because I have this to make my bread.
How you getting scary as you get older? Is about to be 7.
That's what I did. Thank you, Daddy. I did. I was like, I can't imagine anything else I wanted, but I really wanted to. Oh, thank you. That's the one I wanted too. How did you know? That baby must be big.
Make four at one time.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you, love. Oh, that's perfect. Love you. So that's my gift. The camera is opening. Look what you think about that. Oh, that's for me.
What is it?
It's atmosphere lamp.
And Google will control it, right? Once you get it all hooked up, I think. We're taking a break.
From me
Like it,
to
yeah, I
Daddy.
love my gift.
Handkerchief.
To Daddy.
It's a nice book you can read on the plane.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Oh, I heard that's a really good book.
That's
I need
a
to read
good
that
book.
Yeah, I heard that's excellent. Yeah, that's a good read. Yeah, I heard that's supposed to be a really good book. A lot of people are recommending that book to read it.
Thank you.
She got me out of Z Gallery.
Everybody take a moment.
What you got?
Please hold it over this. Let's set it down and
What is it? Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Oh my God, that's so good.
why you think I
What rock is this? This is awesome sauce.
Well, I know that your thing be golden red.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. I love my gift. Man, you know what kind of bells and whistles, man. I'm gonna put that in my China cabinet right now.
Got another one.
Red neck. Okay, what's the baby?
Got another one.
What?
Who is that from?
You?
I really have no idea what that
That's
Oh, yeah, that was the very first thing that came in like in November.
nice. It's a salad. Oh,
Because you like when you used to go to work, you used to say you can't pack your salads.
I know. This is nice. Thank you, Chelsea.
European man purse. And it is.
Like a European man person. Yeah, boy, I'm not crazy. So I don't know. What is he talking about? That's a nice bag for guys.
You have to turn the other way.
So it comes in different sizes. I mean, take them more stuff. It is.
Do something with your guitar?
Something you can use instead of a little bitty one. A real one. Instead of a toy when you've been playing with. Well, I'm sorry, I'm standing on it so you can take it. Put it forward so Chelsea can take a picture of it.
Well, it's video. I can screen snap it.
Video on it. There.
Yeah, that makes life so much easier.
Let's make life easier. On the quick wash on the new machine can, and then take the 3 gray towels and wash them by themselves.
Thank you.
Oh, I remember that. Oh, okay. Oh,
Early retirement gift.
like, what is that?
I didn't know I was getting anything. My phone is.
What this is? It don't have a name on it.
Let me see.
Just make sure you write the key.
Oh, yes, it is. It's very light. To Daddy from Chelsea. Okay, see, I told you I didn't realize how many gifts. I was thinking I didn't get enough. That's the Grandma Mills from me. That's her foot cream.
Oh, it's like a set for your your skin. I think you can see a dermatologist, $100 dermatologist and get that skin cleared up. It's gonna look like a peach.
While you're still on my insurance. You bought like 15.
I did. I told you I didn't even realize how much stuff.
Put a roof over our head and stuff, and buy the groceries so we can eat and stuff. So
I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do.
yeah, that don't mean you're gonna do it. Oh, let me see what that says. Oh wow, that's cool. That's like something really nice. What it says.
I'm not Batman. I'm just saying no one has ever seen Batman and me in a room together.
I like that. I heard. Open up. I don't know. I was not involved in any of her gift things. Oh, I know what it is now. Let me grin it. He's a mess. I forgot all about that.
Didn't he say it was in War for you and Daddy, for me and Sasha? Sasha, like opening up your gift,
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my God. How pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God.
Thank you.
Thank you. Isn't that pretty? Oh my God, that's like a custom ornament, huh?
No.
That was just open song, you know.
That's what made me cry.
Yo, who is that for?
Kendra Scott. This is my favorite jewelry.
Roger. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, and isn't that rose gold? Oh my God, it's beautiful. Good, good. And then next will be show you how the airport. You see the right, that arrow is showing you. There you can be right up there in the front with you. Yeah, accident question. It'll be right there. It's easy to navigate highway, intercontinental. So,
We're going commercial free with Harry Connick Jr. and Let It Snow.
yeah, I get to go with us and
I don't know where we're going, so please don't tell me.
I'm not gonna tell you, but I forgot what month. It's spring break.
Yeah, I already told him at work. I was like, I don't know.
Cameron gotta make sure he figure out how to get his.
Well, he should. He been working every holiday. So.
All right. I know. See y'all later.
See you, parents.
Bye, Mom. I miss you, Dad.
Okay, I'm gonna miss you.